Today, we're taking a deep dive into a true DSLR classic, the Canon EOS 10D. Build quality design. The Canon 10D is built like a tank. It features a magnesium alloy body, giving it a solid, professional feel. Weighing about 790 grams without a lens, it's on the heavier side, but that weight adds to its durability. Sensor image quality. The 10D sports a 6.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. That might sound tiny today, but back in 2003, it was impressive. Image quality is surprisingly good, especially in good lighting. Photos come out sharp with decent color reproduction. Autofocus performance. The Canon 10D features a 7-point autofocus system, which was decent for its era. It performs well for portraits and static subjects but struggles with fast-moving objects. Battery life. Battery life is surprisingly good, offering around 600 to 800 shots per charge with the BP511 battery. It's ideal for long shooting days if you carry a spare. Video capabilities. This is important. The Canon 10D does not support video recording, it was purely a still photography tool. If you're looking for hybrid use, this camera won't be suitable. Overall, if you love vintage DSLRs, want to learn photography basics, or just enjoy manual style shooting, it still has its charm. Thank you so much.